Hi everyone! Welcome back to AI with Mia. Let's create something amazing with AI. Have you ever watched ancient history storytelling videos with realistic visuals, magnificent palaces, armored warriors, ancient villages, and emotional narration? And wondered how people create videos like that? The amazing part is that you don't need to film anything, hire actors, prepare expensive locations, or even have professional video editing skills. With just a single idea, AI can help you write the script, create characters, generate images, produce realistic voiceovers, animate each scene, and combine everything into a complete video in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create an ancient history storytelling video using AI, from starting with no idea at all to exporting a finished video that's ready to upload to YouTube. Before we begin, if this is your first time visiting AI with Mia, this channel is all about AI tutorials, AI content creation, and helpful tools that can make your work faster and easier. If you're interested in topics like these, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos. Alright, let's get started. First, open the VideoGen link in the description below. Once you've signed in, you'll see the main VideoGen dashboard. To create a new project, click New Project on the left-hand side. Here, VideoGen offers a variety of video creation tools, including script-to-video, video editor, prompt-to-video, voiceover, screen recorder, slides-to-video, and several other useful features. In this tutorial, we'll be using script-to-video, which allows us to create a complete video directly from a script. Go ahead and click on it. After selecting script-to-video, VideoGen will take us to the initial setup page. The first option is AI Image, where we choose the image quality for our video. VideoGen currently offers 4 quality levels: Image Low, Image Standard, Image High, and Image Max. Higher quality produces sharper, more detailed images, but it also takes longer to generate. For this tutorial, I'll choose Image Standard because it offers a great balance between image quality and generation speed. Next is Pace, which controls the video generation speed. You can choose the setting that best fits your workflow. I'll keep it set to medium. Below that is the Style section. VideoGen includes a wide variety of built-in styles such as realistic, watercolor, 3D cartoon, flat art, paper, ink paint, anime, claymation, whiteboard, education, and many more. If you'd like to create your own unique look, you can also choose Custom. Since we're creating an ancient history storytelling video today, I'll select Realistic to give the visuals a more lifelike and cinematic appearance. From my experience, choosing the right style from the beginning helps keep every scene visually consistent and can save you a lot of editing time later. If you're creating history, mythology, or storytelling videos, I highly recommend using the realistic style. In the top right corner, you'll find the aspect ratio settings. VideoGen supports multiple aspect ratios for different platforms. For this tutorial, I'll choose 16:9, which is the standard format for YouTube videos. Once everything is set up, click Continue to move to the next step. After clicking Continue, we'll arrive at the script creation page. In the center of the screen is where we'll enter our script. If you already have one prepared, simply copy and paste it into the editor. If not, don't worry. VideoGen has a built-in AI assistant that can generate one for you. On the left-hand side, you'll find the AI chat panel. It works similarly to ChatGPT or Gemini. Simply type in your prompt, and the AI will generate a script based on your request. For example, I'll type, "Write a captivating YouTube storytelling script about an ancient civilization." Then click Send and let the AI do the work. In just a few seconds, it will generate a complete script for you. If you're happy with the result, simply click Accept, and the entire script will automatically be added to your project. One small tip I'd like to share is don't be afraid to edit the AI-generated script. I usually use AI to create the first draft or generate ideas, then make a few adjustments, so the content sounds more natural and better matches my channel's style. Now that we have our script, the next step is choosing a voice. Click on the Voice tab at the top. VideoGen offers a wide selection of voices in different languages and styles. Choose the voice that best matches your target audience and the type of content you're creating. For storytelling videos like this, I recommend using a voice that's clear, expressive, and engaging. A good voiceover can make a huge difference in keeping viewers interested throughout the story. You can also preview different voices before making your final choice. Sometimes, simply switching to a better voice can make your video sound much more professional. And don't worry if you don't find the perfect voice on your first try. Even after the video has been generated, you can always come back and change the voice later. Right next to it is the caption section. If you'd like subtitles to appear in your video, simply enable this feature. VideoGen lets you customize the font, size, color, and position of your captions. Feel free to adjust everything to match your own style. If you don't need captions, you can simply turn this feature off. Next, let's take a look at the remaining video settings. If you'd like to change the aspect ratio or visual style, you can still do that here without creating a new project. You'll also find the background music option, where you can add music to your video. VideoGen also allows you to add transition effects and insert your own logo if needed. For ancient history storytelling videos like this, I usually choose soft cinematic or epic orchestral music to create a more immersive experience. Of course, you're free to customize or disable any of these options based on your own preferences. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate Video and let the AI begin creating your video. At this stage, VideoGen will automatically analyze your script, divide it into individual scenes, generate the visuals, add the voiceover, synchronize the animations, and combine everything into a complete video. The generation process usually takes a few minutes, depending on the length of your script and the image quality you selected earlier. While it's processing, there's nothing else you need to do. Just sit back and let the AI handle the rest. Once the AI has finished, your video will automatically appear on the screen. Before downloading your video, I always recommend watching it from beginning to end. Make sure the visuals match your script, the voice sounds natural, and the scene transitions flow smoothly. If everything looks good, you can download the video right away. If you'd like to make a few adjustments, no problem. VideoGen provides plenty of editing tools to help you fine-tune your video. To edit the entire project, click Edit at the top of the screen. Here, you can modify different parts of your video, including the voiceover, images, transitions, or even convert all of your still images into animated scenes. VideoGen also lets you replace every image in the project if you'd like to switch to a completely different visual style without starting over. In my opinion, this is one of VideoGen's most useful features. Instead of recreating the entire video just because a few scenes aren't quite right, you can make changes directly inside the project. It saves both time and AI generation credits. If you only want to edit a specific scene, it's even easier. Simply select the scene you want to edit from the timeline. The editing tools for that scene will immediately appear on the right-hand side of the screen. From here, you can replace the image, generate a new one, turn a still image into a video, remove the background, or add different motion effects to that individual scene. This makes it easy to fine-tune specific parts of your video without affecting the rest of the project. This is actually how I edit most of my videos. VideoGen usually does a great job on the first pass, so I only need to tweak a few scenes instead of rebuilding the entire project from scratch. Once you're happy with the final result, it's time to export your video. Click Share in the top right corner. Then select Download. VideoGen will let you choose your export quality. I usually recommend 1080p Full HD because it's the standard resolution for YouTube and provides excellent image quality. After selecting your preferred resolution, simply click Export and let VideoGen process the video. In just a few minutes, your finished video will be saved to your computer, ready to upload to YouTube or any other platform you'd like. Now, let's take a look at the final result.
Imagine waking up 5,000 years ago to the sound of a city already alive. Merchants calling out across stone-paved streets, priests climbing the steps of towers that scraped the morning sky, children running past walls painted in colors that still haven't fully faded from history. This was Sumer, the civilization that essentially invented the world you live in today. Rising from the flat, sun-baked plains between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, the Sumerians built something that had never existed before. Actual cities, organized government, written law. They looked at the chaos of the natural world and decided to impose order on it, carving their thoughts into clay tablets that survived millennia. They gave us the wheel, the calendar, and the first written story ever recorded. A hero, a flood, a search for immortality. Sound familiar? They were telling that story thousands of years before anyone else thought to write anything down. At their peak, Sumerian city-states like Ur and Uruk held populations that rivaled anything the ancient world had seen. Towering ziggurats dominated the skyline, each one a mountain built by human hands, reaching toward gods the Sumerians believed were watching their every move. Trade routes stretched from the Persian Gulf all the way to the Indus Valley. Their influence bled into every culture that came after them. And then, slowly, things began to unravel. Centuries of intensive farming had poisoned the soil with salt, draining the land of its ability to feed the cities that depended on it. Harvests failed. Populations shrank. Rival powers pressed in from every direction. The great cities emptied out, one by one, swallowed by the desert that had always been waiting at the edges. By the time other empires rose to write their own histories, Sumer was already a ghost. Its language dead, its cities buried under sand. But its fingerprints were everywhere, on every law ever written, on every wheel ever turned, on every story ever told.
And that's it. You've just learned how to create an ancient history storytelling video with VideoGen from start to finish. Starting with just one simple idea, AI can help you write a script, generate images, create realistic voiceovers, animate your scenes, and turn everything into a complete video. I hope this tutorial gives you the confidence to start creating your own storytelling videos for YouTube and other social media platforms. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!